the moment, Amber Heard and Johnny Depp are currently in the middle of a legal fight. This was after the beloved Pirates of the Caribbean actor filed a defamation suit against Heard. The reason for filing this case was that Heard wrote an article about domestic abuse in the Washington Post. Even though she did not mention Depp anywhere in the article, Depp seems to have been affected by the ripple effect of this, making it really hard for him to secure any role in the film industry. Even with all this, there are some reactions from other celebrities out there. Some of them are in support of Depp, while others are in support of Heard. However, with the rise of some evidence, more people seem to be leaning towards Depp's side now. Do you want to know what these reactions are? Then stay tuned to find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the best celebrity news channel out there. Today we are going to take a look at some of the reactions of other celebrities regarding the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because you will definitely be shocked at what people say about it. In the ongoing trial between Heard and Depp in Fairfax, Virginia, there have been some explosive statements made by both parties. These statements have definitely become the talk of the town. However, this is not the first time that a defamation case has made headlines like this. Quite a number of celebrities have voiced their opinions, with most of them picking sides. However, one thing you should definitely know is that not a lot of celebrities are siding with Amber Heard. One of the celebrities who spoke up regarding this case was Winona Ryder. Winona happens to have dated Depp earlier for 4 years. This Stranger Things star showed her support for Depp when she mentioned that it was impossible to believe that Depp was violent in his relationship with Heard. She said that she was completely shocked as she would call her time with the actor. She said, "I count our relationship as one of the more significant relationships in my life. I understand that it is very important that I speak from my own experience. The idea that he is an incredibly violent person is the farthest thing from the Johnny I knew and loved. I cannot wrap my head around these accusations." As the trial continues, new evidence is coming to light. While an audio recording was being played in court, Depp was visibly upset and sullen. As a video of a shaken Depp went viral on Twitter, gaining millions of views just a few hours after it was released, some fans and celebrities are now reacting to the news. Not only was this recording very upsetting for Johnny, but there were some celebrities such as actress Ireland Baldwin who were deeply disgusted by the viral clip. She shared a screenshot of the post on her Instagram story, expressing her support for Depp. She also gave her take on the matter, saying, "The thing is, I know women who are exactly like this. They are manipulative and cold, and they use their very womanhood to play victim and turn the world against the man because we live in a society where it's cool to say men are all the worst and blah blah effity blah." The fashion model continues, saying, "Men can experience abuse too. And this absolute disaster of a human being, Amber Heard, is a terrible person. And I hope Johnny gets his reputation and his life back. And I hope he's in like 5 pirate movies." The audio recording that was played during a court session of the highly publicized and televised trial on Wednesday, March 20th of 2022, was one of the many pieces of evidence that implicated Heard. The recording was of Heard admitting that she hit her ex-husband during their marriage. In the recording, Heard's voice could be heard saying, "I'm sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap. I was hitting you, I was not punching you. You're not punched." Following Baldwin's support for Depp, millions of supporters of the Pirate of the Caribbean actor went online to show their support for Depp. One of Depp's fans supported Baldwin's stance, saying, "She is 100% correct, and more people need to call Amber out on this. I am Team Johnny. He's been around forever and never had an issue with anyone but Amber." However, Baldwin is not the only Hollywood celebrity to fully support Depp. WandaVision star Paul Bettany, who also happens to be Depp's longtime friend, has been there by Depp's side ever since Heard made the allegations of physical abuse against the beloved Depp. Bettany has not only been very vocal about his support for Depp, but he has also testified in court in favor of Depp. This was regarding some leaked messages between Depp and himself. Bettany was served by the court to refute some claims regarding some explicit messages that were shared between Depp and Bettany. In the text messages, they referred to Heard as a corpse. Shortly before Bettany gave his testimony in court, he expressed his admiration for his friend by tweeting, "Known Johnny Depp for years and through several relationships. He's the sweetest, kindest, gentlest man I've ever known. Just saying." Javier Bardem is another actor who's shown tremendous support for Depp. He seemed to agree with Bettany's exact statements when he gave his stance for Depp. This was shortly after Heard made the ridiculous domestic violence allegations. Javier said, I love Johnny because he's a good human being, trapped in the lies and manipulations of toxic beings, and yet smiling and loving us all in spite of it. How? Through his music, through his acting, through his silence. This means a lot. Thank you, Johnny. Millions of others like me love you deeply. Johnny's friends and industry colleagues are now mobilizing support and empathy for the actor. In addition to this, he's also gained more fans. The most intriguing of them all is none other than Jason Momoa, who is Amber Heard's co-star in Aquaman. Jason's fans discovered that he has recently followed Depp on Instagram. Momoa did this when the trial was already going on. This caused the fans to conclude that Momoa has decided to be on Depp's side on this one. Some fans took to Twitter saying, #Jason Momoa started following #Johnny Depp on Instagram mid-trial. Interesting. Very interesting. What do you think? Optics or realization, or finally being given the go-ahead to have a spine? Another fan said, I thought Jason was on Amber Heard's side. If he's Team Johnny, I can like him as a person again. Someone else replied to this by saying, I think Jason Momoa knows he dodged a bullet because I think she threw herself at him when they were filming Aquaman. As much as there are those who support Momoa's actions, there are those who fail to believe that this is a genuine gesture. They have a theory that this is only a ploy by Momoa to get Depp's fans to watch the upcoming Aquaman 2 movie, which most of them had chosen to boycott because they had hired Heard back for the movie. If you think that only actors and directors are supporting Depp, then think again. Award-winning artist Sia, who is not only greatly in Depp's support, has also joined the league of supporters and fans in believing his story after the infamous tape recordings were released in court. She posted on Twitter saying, just showing my public support for Johnny Depp. I mean, I'd love him to get clean and stop with the jewelry, but he is clearly the victim after hearing those tapes. While showing her disregard for Heard, Sia also sent another tweet to Heard's former boyfriend Elon Musk, with whom they had dated for about a year before splitting in 2018. Sia tweeted, also at Elon Musk, didn't you give her the $7 million she donated from her settlement? She still came out $7 million richer. Why are you protecting her? She will never get the help she needs if we all stay silent. However, Heard also has some supporters, including the richest man in the world, Elon Musk. It has been alleged that Musk is the one financing Heard's lifestyle. At some point, he is also set to appear as a key witness in Amber's case. In addition to that, Heard also has the support of award-winning actor James Franco. He too has been listed as a witness in support of Heard's testimony for the trial. However, as the case proceeded, there were allegations that Heard cheated on Depp with Elon Musk and James Franco, when she was still married to Depp. It is quite clear that Depp is receiving millions of supporters, including some celebrities. If the case was determined by how many supporters you have, Depp would definitely win with ease. However, we have to leave the judgment to the court. Who do you support and why? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.